my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have some summer beauty hacks for you guys that I would love to share, and I really hope you find it helpful, useful, or maybe just fun to try this summer. And yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with this video. So the first hack is an instant pick-me-up. So all you need is an ice tray, then some mint leaves, a glass of water, and an essential oil of your choice. Now this is obviously optional, you can skip it, but I had it so I put some. Now just put some mint leaves on each ice cube holder. Then just add a few drops of your essential oil. If you're adding any, I'm just going with some avocado oil because that's what I like using. Then just fill it up with some water and then just freeze it. So guys, I have the ice cube right here. As you can see, it's all frozen very nicely. And you can see the leaves. Now I'm just going to massage it all over my face. Now beware guys, obviously it's an ice cube so it is going to be very cold, but it's just really great because it's going to soothe your skin, and since it has the essential oil and the mint leaves, it's just going to give it a very nice cooling effect. And since ice cubes are great for closing your pores, it's just going to be overall really great for your skin. Your skin is going to feel fresh. I would recommend doing this right before you're going to bed or right before your night routine, so that when you wake up in the morning you can actually see the difference in your skin. Now I'm just going to let this dry up naturally. I'm not going to pat dry or anything. I'm just going to let it air dry. Ever had those days when your mascara has just dried out too quickly, or maybe you just bought a mascara and didn't use it properly and now it's just dry? Then what you can do is add some eye drops or some lens solution. Only use these two things guys, and also remember that this is just a temporary solution. Don't use it all the time, but just in case of emergencies when you really need a mascara, this one is a great hack, and as you can see, it's almost as good as new. So I think that we're all guilty of running out of eyeliner and not buying backups of our favorite eyeliner. I know I am. So on days like that when you're running out of eyeliner and you really need to head out the door, what you can do is you can borrow some of the color from your mascara. You can just dip your eyeliner brush directly on some mascara and just apply it, and it works just as good as any eyeliner. Now, if you want the smoothest shave this summer, all you need is some olive oil and sugar. I'm also going to add in like a tablespoon of honey. Now, I'm just going to mix the mixture. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shave once using my favorite razor. Then I'm going to take this sugar scrub and apply it all over my arm and just massage it really well. Then I'm going to go over and shave for the second time, and you guys will end up having the smoothest shave, plus it'll end up lasting a lot longer than your regular shave. So this next hack is for the people who like to touch up their makeup during the day. So if you're someone who always carries a face powder in their purse, then it's better to apply the face powder through a tissue than applying it directly. This way you can make sure that your makeup does not get cakey throughout the day, because you might need to touch up multiple times. Since it is summer, open up the tissue completely, and then I'm just going to place it on my forehead or wherever I want to touch up, and then I'm going to take some face powder. I'm just going to dust off the excess. So I've just taken the face powder here, and then I'm just going to apply it and brush it up, and voila! So there you can see it does not look cakey at all, but the face powder has definitely helped to absorb the moisture. So yeah, this is a great hack if you're someone who uses compact powder to touch up your face. Okay, so this next situation happens to the best of us. As you can see, my lipstick has started bleeding out of my lips. And honestly, this is not a great look. So a way to avoid that is to apply lip liner before you put on lipstick.
Now here you can just take any nude lip liner. Here I'm just taking the Kylie Cosmetics one, and I'm just going to line all over my lips. And then as per usual, I'm just going to take my favorite lipstick and just fill in my lips, and you will end up having the most perfect looking lipstick, and throughout the day it's not going to bleed from your lips. Last hack is kind of a bonus hack, and it's not really a beauty hack, but on days when you want something cold to drink and you don't have it in your fridge, what you can do is you can just freeze a glass and then just make your drink, your juice. After 3 minutes you can add the juice in the glass, and this is more of an instant solution instead of waiting for over 30 minutes for your drink to actually get cold.
So that's it guys, those are all the summer hacks I wanted to share with you guys. I really hope you guys found this helpful, and do let me know in the comments down below which hacks you liked or which one you would like to try, because I know that we watch all these hack videos on YouTube, but we generally tend not to do these much. But I really hope you guys give these a shot, because they're actually really helpful and they work perfectly well. So yeah, do let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you guys like this video. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, and as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.